wherein you really participated. Some internal internet issue was there, but it's absolutely fine. This happens. But you were able to speak well. That's really good. Plus point is you are able to speak in details. It's not that one liner answer that okay, ma'am, I like Shahi Paneer. That's it. Or my favorite postman is Virat Kohli. That's it. You were elaborating the things which I really liked very much. So
Thank
speaking in
you.
detail is very good. Wonderful. Another thing is, as you said, ma'am, I don't have that much time to read. But when you want to learn a language, I mean, it is very important that you should develop at least every day 15 to 20 minutes reading practice has to be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So,
Hello, ma'am.
yeah, hi. How are you, Anu? Very, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am fine. How about you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much for asking. So, a very, very warm welcome to my session. We are meeting for the first time, and I think it is your second session, right?
Yes,
Right,
ma'am. Yes.
right. So, very warm welcome to my session. My name is Menjabi, and I am from Gujarat state.
Okay.
Okay, so tell me about yourself, Anu. Where are you from, and what are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Jagtap. I am from Madhya Pradesh, and I am a homemaker and blessed with one daughter.
Am
Am
I
I
audible?
audible?
Yes,
Yes.
I. You are audible now. Now it's audible. Yes, fine. You were saying about
Okay.
your strength, but I was not able to hear you clearly because there was some network issue. Could you please repeat it once again?
Yes, ma'am. My strength is learning new things, and I want to learn English because it always felt difficult for me. So that's why I eager to improve.
Okay, that's really great. Wonderful. So you said you are a homemaker and you are very much interested to learn English language, right?
Yes.
So do you
Yes.
have any plans for starting your career?
Not right now, ma'am, because I just want to learn English because I want to become a good speaker. Mm, because whenever I speak with someone, so I feel nervous. And ma'am, can
If
we?
possible, yeah, yeah, please rejoin. Please rejoin. Rejoin. Rejoin, please.
Okay, can I cut the?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, please. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So instead of saying, can I cut the call? Can I disconnect the call? Is the correct thing.
Okay.
Disconnect.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Nice. So your main thing is you want to learn your English skills so that whenever you are out, you want to talk with the people around, you're able to comfortably speak with them. Right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
That's
right.
fantastic. And how old is your daughter?
She is 5 years old.
5 years old. So have you started speaking with her also in English?
Yes, ma'am. Sometime she is speak very well, but sometime I'm stuck.
Oh,
What?
that's nice. Great. That's fantastic. So you have a partner at home with whom you can speak in English. So just maintain this thing of creating a habit to speak with her every day. Hello.
Uh, Ma'am, can you
Hello.
repeat it again, please? I'm not here
Yeah,
properly.
right. So I just said that you have a daughter at your home who will be your partner in speaking. So try to speak with her in English only every day. So both of you can communicate with one another and it's just beneficial for both of you.
Yes, ma'am. I will try and I try, but sometime I'm stuck.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Sometimes you're stuck, absolutely fine, but this only will gain you the confidence of speaking more. Okay,
Yes, yes,
right,
right.
fine. So let's move on to today's session, which is related to favoritism. I'll be asking you certain questions, and you have to answer me what is the favorite thing of that and why it is that favorite thing of yours. Okay, so we'll
Okay.
start with the very first thing, which is your favorite food.
My favorite food is Shahi Paneer
Oh, that's nice. Why?
because of it's a source of protein and its ingredient whenever it's when it's make so it's ingredient milk. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible. So I just wanted to tell you that sit in that area where the Wi-Fi connectivity is proper.
Ma'am, I am on my Wi-Fi connect is nearby me.
Okay. Still there is some problem. No problem. It's okay. Fine.
Yeah.
So I was just asking you, are you able to prepare Shahi Paneer very well?
Yes, ma'am.
That's nice.
I
Okay.
will.
Good. So what about the paneer? Do you prepare at home or you buy it from outside?
No, ma'am, I prepare at home
You prepare at home. That's fantastic. Why is it called Shahi Paneer?
because, ma'am, it's not by water. It's used by milk
It's used.
and
Okay.
yeah, butter and
Okay.
cashew nuts.
Hmm.
I guess everything makes it.
Hmm. Right. Okay. And sometimes we also add the strand of saffron to it, right?
Yes, yes.
So the richness increases. Right. You said
Uh, I'm network issues.
right. It's okay. No problem. It's absolutely fine. Don't worry. Yeah. So you said it is used by milk. It is not by. It is used or it is prepared with milk,
It is
right?
prepared with milk.
With,
Okay.
or you can say it is prepared with some rich ingredients like milk, paneer, cashew nuts, and saffron strands, because of which it is actually called shahi, right?
Mhm. Yes,
Okay,
right.
good, good,
Okay.
good, 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 fine. So that is your favorite food. Second thing, which is your favorite book? Do you like reading?
Sometime.
Sometimes. So any favorite
But
book of yours?
uh, Atomic Habits
Oh,
by James Clear. Yes,
very nice.
and because it's a practical guide and that how can we change our habits and get 1% better every day.
Mm,
So that's why I like this book.
very good. So what was the best thing that you liked, and which habit did you change of yours?
Sorry.
Which was the best thing that you liked in this book, Atomic Habits? And which habit did you change of yours?
And yeah, that's like every day, whatever you do, and so change your bad habits if you want to achieve something. So you can build your good habits like this.
Hmm. Okay, nice. So that is your favorite book. So how often do you get time to read the book?
Ma'am, very rare. Means I have not proper time to give read and something. But whenever I free time, so I just listening a lot and English content. Just
Hmm. Okay.
yeah,
Okay, you listen to the things. You don't have that much time to read, so you listen to the things, right?
yes, yes,
So I was asking you about your favorite movie.
yes, ma'am.
Name of the movie, I was not able to hear it properly.
Pursuit of happiness.
Okay, fine, good.
Yeah,
So that was the movie which
because
you liked.
yes, ma'am. Because this movie inspired me a lot, and
Okay.
yeah, I think it's a motivational movie, and so I like
That's nice. Fantastic. So, what was the thing in this movie which really inspired you?
their hard work uh, and what is there happening in their life and their personal life and then their you know practical means corporative life
Hmm.
like uh, they are, and their child they uh, they do hard work so many times and one line I like it that he talked with her talked with his son that if you have a dream so you can achieve them and never say I can't do this like this.
Nice.
I just
Okay, good.
remember this. Yeah, I
Very
can
good.
do everything. Yeah,
Fantastic. Wonderful.
never. Yeah.
So, these were the things which really inspired you very much. That in life, whatever it is, you should see that it is possible for me and I'll be able to do that.
Yes,
Wonderful.
yes.
Your favorite color?
My favorite color, I imagine so. I like pink, blue, everything. I can like it.
Okay. Nice, nice. So, when you go out to purchase any outfit or any clothes for yourself or any attire, do you feel that it should be only pink and blue, or you will go with any color?
And go with any color which is not in my almirah, so I can purchase any color.
Not have, and you would need to
I
purchase.
not have
Okay,
yes. Yes.
right. Now you said you have a daughter, so will you go with every pink color for her, or you can buy any color for her?
usually buy any color, but she likes pink.
She likes pink.
Very
Okay.
pink. Yes, ma'am. Almost her dresses are in pink color.
Color only. Right. Okay, fine. That's nice. Who's the favorite sports person?
Sport
Sports
person?
person. Hmm.
Sports person. Ma'am, no one.
You
I
don't like
don't. No, no,
sports?
I'm not interested in sports and but yeah, cricket. If I talk about cricket, so I just not favorite. Just yes, Virat Kohli is the best. That's it.
Okay. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, fantastic. So Virat Kohli is actually your favorite one. Your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time of the day.
Yes.
My favorite time. In past,
No, no, right
past
now, like throughout the day, which is your favorite time, which you really like to spend more? Morning,
not
afternoon, evening, night?
evening time. I like it. Yes, because my husband, my daughter, my family, whole family are together and enjoy a lot and uh, together, speak with anyone and whatever and go for a walk.
Hmm.
I like
That's nice.
that
Fantastic.
time. Yes,
Okay, so that is the family time and you really like to spend with one another.
yes, yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is not much. My favorite hobby is like cooking, and I like new learning new things as well. Just that's it.
That's nice. So learn new things. So what type of things do you like to learn?
If whatever my weakness, so I can learn.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Nice. So when you were small, what were your hobbies?
Sorry, ma'am.
When you
When
were small, when you were young, what were your hobbies?
play game outside.
Okay, nice.
Nothing too much. Yes. But
Okay.
sometimes I play. I want to play that chess
Chess.
because it's yes. I'm interested in chess.
Okay, fantastic, wonderful. So do you know how to play chess?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. From where did you learn?
No, nothing, ma'am. I just learned from my dad, my
Oh,
father. Yeah,
uh-huh.
and then I start playing with anyone. So I'm
Okay.
interested. Yeah.
Good. So you know all the rules and regulations, how to play, and what are the different tricks you have to, apply and everything.
Yes, ma'am. Everything.
Good. That's nice. So does your daughter also like to play chess?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I play like on computer. So she also interested what mama playing.
Uh,
I want play with chess. So sometimes she asked me how play chess.
how to
So
play?
yeah, how to play chess. So I learn. I
Hmm.
teach. And she also build their habit means interest build their interest in chess.
Good. Fantastic. Wonderful. Okay, so overall, Anu, it was good, wherein you really participated. Some internal internet issue was there, but it's absolutely fine. This happens. But you were able to speak well. That's really good. Plus point is you are able to speak in details. It's not that one-liner answer that, okay, ma'am, I like Shahi Paneer, that's it. Or my favorite postman is Virat Kohli, that's it. You were elaborating the things which I really liked very much. So
Thank
speaking
you.
in detail is very good. Wonderful. Another thing is, as you said, ma'am, I don't have that much time to read. But when you want to learn a language, I mean, it is very important that you should develop at least every day 15 to 20 minutes reading practice has to be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So now
And
you have a daughter with you, right? So you can
yes,
take any good story books, short
yes,
stories, whatever. You can sit with her and start reading the stories once, twice. After reading that, close the book and summarize that story in front of her or tell her to summarize. So, this will even be a good mode of communication, and you both will get a platform to speak with one another. And that is very important because
yes, ma'am.
sometimes you make grammatical errors in sentence formation, in using of the tenses and all. So, that will go away. Like, for example, you said it is used by milk. Now, it is
Bye.
used with milk. So you will
business.
not know that you have made this error. But when
Yes.
you will be reading the things, you will be coming to know that yes, this is actually the perfect sentence which I'm supposed to make.
Okay,
Right.
ma'am. Right.
Plus, as you also like to listen to the YouTube channel podcast and all, there also we have good podcasts which you can sometimes put on your earphones and you can listen to that. One podcast a day. So you can come to know that how are they framing the sentences, what is their body language, what is their facial expression. So all these things will really help you very much. And if you
Yes.
do not have anybody to talk with, you can just
Yes.
do one thing. By the end of the day, sit in front of the mirror for 5 to 10 minutes. Just explain to yourself how was your day? How did you spend your full day? So this will again be a good topic which you can speak in front of the mirror and you will get a practice to speak it. Because many of the
Okay.
times learners say that ma'am you don't have any partner to speak with. Whom
Yes.
do we speak with? So you
Yes.
should be your own partner. Try to speak to your own self. I still speak to myself. I love
Yes.
that. Because
Okay.
sometimes we are not able to speak everything to everybody. There are some secrets which we only share to ourselves, but we always feel that no, I should bring it out. So how will you bring it out? Sit in front of the mirror and try to speak that out. You will really feel, light after doing that. So you can do
After
that.
doing. Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
These are certain tips you can follow. You will really see a drastic change in your performance. So
Okay,
you
ma'am.
are in an intermediate learner. It's not a basic learner type. I'm very happy that you're an intermediate learner. You want to learn new skills every day. That is also your hobby. So keep it
Yes.
up. As you're able to speak Hindi well, you will be able to speak English also well. Don't lose the consistency. That is very important.
Yes.
Most of the learners, what they do initially for 15 days, they are very regular in attending the sessions. Then they start taking the breaks in between because of the
Yes.
busy schedule. So that should
Yes.
not be. We just
Yes.
have 25 minutes session. So just make it a point that in this 24 hours, I will be spending at least 25 minutes every day with English Yari so that I can get an opportunity to learn the language.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Otherwise, it was a good session. I really enjoyed very much, Anu.
I
And
also
really
enjoyed, ma'am.
thank you so much for
Thank you
taking
so
care
much,
of
ma'am.
yourself. Yeah. And whatever tips I have given you, just inculcate that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so
Take
much,
care
ma'am.
of yourself. Bye bye. See ya.
Have a good day, ma'am.
You too have a good day. Bye. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.